Hello everyone, I recently created an invoicing and project management software and I decided to make it free. You can feel free to download and use the software. It's built in top of Laravel framework. I named it as Gamx CRM. Now we are having basic features like invoicing, client management, code preparation, project management, payment gateway integrations, and you can send invoice link to a customer. They can pay the invoice using the payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe or Razorpay. And I am looking forward to add more features in the coming days. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to get latest update of the software and more useful videos every week. You can download the software by clicking the link in the video description or first comment. And you can see the installation guide and an explanation videos in the tutorial section. As it is a free software, I am expecting some donation from people who love to use this software. If you can't afford any donation, no problem. You can also download and use the software as long as you want. You can download the software from this page. I will give the link in the video description, and you can see the tutorial how to install Gamx on cPanel here in the tutorial section, and you can get the user guide also here. You have to fill up your email address here to download, because we are sending the latest release notification to your email address. After submitting your email address, you just need to click the download now button to download the source code. I will show you a quick demo of the software, and this is the dashboard of the software, and you can see the client manager over here, and you can see all the invoices and projects and quotations related to that customer over here. In the invoice section, you can create and edit the invoices. You can manually mark the payment, refund, cancel invoice, delete invoice. You can send the invoice to the customer by mail, and you can get the payment link directly from here. You can simply click to enable tags in the invoice. The customer can download the invoice as PDF or print the invoice, or they can pay the invoice with the available payment gateways. In the quotation section, almost same procedure as invoice. Also, you can convert a quote into invoice by simply clicking the convert to invoice button. In the project section, you can manage multiple projects, and you can have a quick overview of the project. You can save a note related to that project. You can have multiple tasks in the project. In the admin panel, you can add your staffs or more admins. Inside the settings and billing configuration, you can set the prefix of your currency and enable tags and thanks note for invoice and quote. Also, you can enable payment gateways from the manage payment gateways tab. If you want to modify the software for your needs and you don't know how, don't worry, I can help you with customization. I will give my contact details in the video description and my website. You can feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. We'll see you in the next video.